Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset the setting apps in Windows 11. So here I've already on my computer, which is using the Windows 11 as the operating system. And you can just now start by clicking on the Windows menu here and go find settings. This one's right here. You can just right click on it and click on this app settings. So after this, the app settings will be opened. So this is the settings on my Windows, and if you want to reset, you can just scroll down until you find the reset option. So if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data won't be affected. So if you want to reset here, okay, if the system component still isn't working right to set it, the system components data will be deleted. So the first option is repair if the component isn't working right on your computer, and the reset is the second option. So if you want to, you can just click on reset, and there will be this pop up. So if you reset, it will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So if you are sure and have no problem with this, you can just click on the reset button, and just like that, the settings will be reset. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.